Most people in the UK are using the same few credit cards, basic cashback cards, entry-level American Expresses, maybe a British Airways card, but those cards barely scratch the surface of what's actually possible. Today I'm showing you 7 underrated UK cards that hardly anyone talks about, but in the right situation, these are absolutely S-tier cards. One of them isn't even a credit card at all. I've helped over 5,100 people optimize their credit strategies, and every card in this list serves a specific purpose most people miss. Drop a like and subscribe, and let's get into it. But before I reveal these cards, if you're serious about building the perfect credit card setup, whether that's maximizing cashback, earning points for business class flights, or rebuilding credit to qualify for premium cards, I've created a complete masterclass, and the link's in the description to access it on my website or book a one-to-one call with me directly. Now let's dive into these 7 underrated cards. Card number 1 is the American Express Cashback Everyday. This gets ignored because it's boring. That's exactly why it's underrated. No annual fee, 0.5% cashback up to £10,000, 1% cashback above £10,000, often 5% intro for the first 3 to 5 months, which can be capped at about £125. Now here's the thing, most no-fee UK cards struggle to beat 0.5%. This gives you 1% on higher spend with zero complexity. If you're spending £15,000 to £20,000 per year, reliable cashback, no categories, no devaluation risk, no hoops. This is S tier for simple, high spenders who want to set and forget cashback. Now the second card is the American Express Platinum Cashback. People don't run the numbers on this one. It has a £25 annual fee, but it has 0.75% up to £10,000 and 1.25% above £10,000. Spend £20,000 per year, that's £212 in cashback, minus the £25 fee, that's net £187. That effectively is 1% across all spend, no caps, no categories. It's S tier for high spending professionals who don't want point optimizations. Now the £25 fee scares some people off, but above £10,000 spending, the math works beautifully. Card number 3 is the American Express Business Gold. Most people think I don't have a business and skip it, but the reality is side income, freelancing, online sales, consulting, content creation, Airbnb, that's enough. Why is this card S tier? It's £0 for the first year, you get to test it for free, then the annual fee kicks in of £195. This is also a charge card, which means it has no preset spending limit. The membership rewards points come with strong welcome bonuses, and I've personally put £10,000 to £15,000 on this in a single month because it's a charge card. Try that on any standard 5k limit card. For anyone who has any sort of business income, get this first. First year is free, which means zero risk. Now card number 4 is the Chase UK debit card. This is not even a credit card, which is criminally underused. This card comes with a 1% cashback capped at £15 per month. No fees, no credit check. It works everywhere American Express doesn't. Now, why does this matter? It doesn't touch your credit file. It has no utilization impact. It's a perfect American Express backup. It's S tier for one reason and one reason only. It's rewards without complexity or a credit file impact. Open this alongside the American Express and use it where the American Express isn't accepted. Card number 5 is the Barclay Card Avios Plus. Everyone talks about the British Airways American Express, but nobody talks about this. This card is £20 a month, £250 annually. You get 1.5 Avios per pound spent. You get an upgrade voucher. It's also a Visa card, which means it works absolutely everywhere. Now, why is this card underrated? Number 1, you don't have to worry about American Express not being accepted everywhere. You also get an upgrade voucher, which is simpler for solo travelers, but also pairs well with American Express. If you hate American Express acceptance headaches but want the Avios, this is the card for you. It's S tier for Avios collectors who travel solo or want guaranteed acceptance. Now, card number 6 is the Tesco Bank Club Card credit card. Now, this was actually, funnily enough, my first credit card I ever opened. It's boring but powerful. It has no annual fee. You get 1 club card point per £4 spent, which converts to Avios, Virgin points, or hotels. It has regular conversion promotions. Now, why is this card underrated? Your club card points get 2x to 3x value through conversion promos. You also get the Tesco promotion stacks. This is a very stable card and has never devalued. Now, this card isn't sexy. It doesn't have a base rate, which is impressive, but the one thing it is that it's consistent, and conversion bonuses jump the value significantly. Now, this is S tier for anyone who shops with Tesco and is able to watch for conversion bonuses. Now, the 7th card is the Virgin Atlantic Reward Plus. Now, this card is ignored because people over focus on British Airways. This card has a £160 annual fee. You get 1.5 Virgin point per £1 spent. You also get an upgrade or companion voucher. It comes with a solid welcome bonus. Now, why is this card underrated? Virgin redemptions always beat British Airways on long haul. You get lower surcharges than the British Airways flights. You get excellent upper class redemptions. BA dominates conversions, but Virgin often delivers better value on specific routes, especially transatlantic and Caribbean flights. This is S tier if you fly with Virgin semi or regularly. Now, that's my 7 hidden cards. Now, you need to realize that there isn't any one single best card, because the best UK setups can look like American Express for rewards, Visa MasterCards for backup, Cashback plus points mix, business cards when possible, but most people lose value copying the US strategies that don't apply here. Now, my personal setup is an American Express Business Gold card as my primary card, a Chase debit as an American Express non-acceptance backup, a Cashback everyday card for simple cashback, and a strategic co-branded card. Now, that leaves me with 4 cards total, maximum value, and minimal complexity. Now, if you want to build your perfect card strategy, cashback, points for business class travel, or credit repair to qualify for these cards, I've created a complete masterclass where I break down which cards to get, in which order, and how to maximize earning, where to transfer points, and how to book premium travel for essentially free. Now, if this video showed you cards that you didn't know existed that could deliver massive value, drop a like and subscribe. I've helped over 5,100 people optimize credit cards and travel rewards in the UK. Comment which cards shocked you the most or which you're adding to your wallet next. Check out my UK American Express tier list video, linked in the description. The best strategy isn't about having the most cards, it's about having the right cards for your actual spending. Now go optimize your wallet and stop leaving value on the table.